Never underestimate the power of your own voice. Though you may think it's just a single, it can make a difference. Be meager, be quiet, be loud or outrageous. It's all important and your voice matters. Today we're going to use my voice to talk about the incredible review that was left by Rachel on December 8th, 2020. Here's what Rachel had to say. From start to finish, the experience with RobbArt was amazing. Not only is the photo more beautiful than I imagined it would be, but the personalized, custom care was so touching. This photo has enhanced our home and brings joy to our space. Well, I just want to say thank you so much, Rachel. And to anyone listening, what are you waiting for? Maybe it's time you get started on your own experience. We'll see you. Have a good one.